Why the JS-39 Gripen dominates the fighter jet market. Subscribe now for bold updates on aviation's finest innovations and military advancements. Stay informed, stay ahead. Sweden's JS-39 Gripen is turning heads in South America. Brazil, already impressed with its performance, has upped its order by 25%. Meanwhile, Saab is eyeing Colombia as the next buyer, pitching the Gripen to replace the aging Kfir fleet. This multi-role marvel isn't just a fighter, it's a game-changer in air superiority and cost efficiency. Want to know why countries are choosing the Gripen over competitors? Watch now and discover the secrets behind its unstoppable global expansion.